Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Small Travel Angel. There I'm back with another vlog, and today we are in Niagara Falls on the American side, as I told you all in the last vlog. So now we are heading towards the falls, and at the moment it's 11:52, and we plan to do the Maid of the Mist today. Let's go there and see what's how much time and all it's there. So guys, here we bought 3 tickets for Maid of the Mist, and I guess with the Maid of the Mist you get to see the observatory tower too here in Niagara Falls on the American side. So it costed us $75, 2 hours with one child. So now let's head towards the Maid of the Mist. Yeah, I feel this side is just very it's not lively like the American side I've seen on the videos, but never mind. Now let's go out here and have fun. Yeah. So guys, here y'all can have a look how good the falls looks like. I guess that's the Three Sister Falls, and this is the Niagara Falls. That's the Canadian side. So guys, this is the Rainbow Bridge, which connects the United States to Canada from the Niagara Falls. There you all can also see a duty-free which is there on the Canadian side, and where we are staying, like in the hotel, on that side we have the American duty-free. And I believe this is our boat which will take us to which is for the Maid of the Mist, which is empty, I believe. And they also give you ponchos. So yeah. So let's head to the Maid of the Mist now. So guys, here we have come down to we took a lift, an elevator, which got us down, which was in that they said it goes down at 500 feet per minute. Amazing. And here's the flag, and that's a boat in which we'll board and get a tour of the Niagara Falls. So guys, now here we boarded on the boat from there. I'm just scared. Look at the wind. Look at the wind. Everything's flying. It's too airy, too breezy. And there we have our destination. And look at the wind. That's the Canadian side. And yeah. Oh. More people are boarding in. So yeah, let's see how the tour is. And we have got a great side to enjoy the Maid of the Mist. Hello. So here we depart, and yeah, pretty good. Yeah, the boat is coming out there. And here we go.
So guys, here we are. We are off to the Maid of Mist, that is at the Niagara Falls.
I guess we should take it. Guys, man, look at the wind. Look at the wind. Wow. Man, amazing. Hello.
When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world, and wish I was special. You're so very special, and I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. Special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep.
Today we are in Buffalo. We drove down for around 27 minutes and we have reached here, and we came into this parking area, and it was quite challenging for my dad to park over here because like all of parking is on a slope, so it's difficult to get that judgment. Though I was there, so I guided him.
So most of the parkings are reserved parking.
Yeah, so that's the main issue. But never mind. Here we are in Buffalo.
We are going to eat a buffalo now.
And yeah, the most famous buffalo sauce wings, and even the famous chain called Buffalo Wild Wings is pretty famous, and it's come from Buffalo. There I see a dog. I don't know if it got captured.
It's a pet, you know.
Yeah, it's a pet. And so let's see how Buffalo is. So guys, while we were here in Buffalo, we also found the tram which is there. So I don't know if we would take a ride of it, but yeah, we've seen it. So let's see how it passes us. Yeah. So here the train comes, and looks pretty good. So guys, we were taking a stroll around Buffalo, and then we were feeling hungry, so we thought of coming to this restaurant called Courtyard. So here we have ordered chicken a Greek gyro, then chicken Caesar salad wrap, and a pita wrap out there, chicken pita wrap. Everything is served with French fries as we see here. So I'll try the chicken gyro which they have served. So it looks pretty good. Looks appetizing. We also ordered one coffee and that. Yeah. Let's try this thing. Amazing. It's actually good. It's a grilled chicken steak, like a grilled chicken which chef made a patty out of. Very good. Now let's see how the other thing is. So guys, after having an amazing lunch at Courtyard, I actually loved it. The pita sandwich was amazing, and the gyro was also amazing. It was a pretty good meal, and yeah, of course, when you go to a fine dining or any restaurant in the United States, you have to give a tip. yeah, we gave a $10 tip, and the total bill was around $35. So yeah, fine, never mind. When you are in like Vegas, you have to be like the like when you are in Rome, you have to be like the Romans. So that way. So now we have entered the Buffalo Theatre District, and this billboard of Buffalo, which you all saw, was the theatre which is like renowned. So the Buffalo Theatre District in Buffalo downtown is the center of Buffalo's theater scene and draws Broadway shows that are in preview stage or on tour. So like even in Washington, then even not Washington, I guess, even in New York, then Chicago, all have their these theater districts. That way, even Buffalo has one. So I actually liked it. And if you are in Niagara Falls and you have come for a long time, like 3 to 4 days, then you can't spend all of your time at Niagara. So better come here. And yeah, it would be added to your list in the United States. So that's it from our this vlog of United States, and I hope you all are enjoying it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.